And it shows that job growth stayed strong last month. The report from the Labor Department shows the U.S. added 253,000 jobs. That's significantly more than what analysts predicted earlier this week, and it's about 20,000 more than the jobs added back in March. The report also shows the unemployment rate is at 3.4%. That is tied for the lowest level since 1969. Banking worries persist as JP Morgan Chase takes over First Republic Bank. And a new strategy from Macy's could soon see a major test. Maribel Aber joins us now from the Nasdaq market site in New York with some of your other business headlines. Good morning, Maribel.
Hey, good morning, Michelle. You know, that strong report on employment that you talked about comes as the Fed continues to hike interest rates to slow the economy and cool the job market. So for stocks this morning, we are seeing some green. We've got the Dow up about 363, the S&P up 43, and the Nasdaq up 133 points. You know, almost half of the people in a recent survey are worried about the safety of their bank deposits. The Gallup survey found 29% were moderately worried, while 19% were very worried. The survey also found a third of people were not too worried and 20% weren't worried at all. Gallup doesn't conduct the survey regularly, but the findings of this one are similar to what the economy found back in 2008 after the collapse of Lehman Brothers. Macy's plans to open more stores and strip malls in the months ahead. The retailer plans to add 5 more of the smaller locations. It already has 10 of the stores open, called Market by Macy's or Bloomies. The stores are about 1/5 the size of the typical Macy's or Bloomingdale's store. The locations offer a smaller selection of popular brands, and they're rotated frequently to stay fresh. Early results for the concept are promising. The smaller stores have been outperforming the rest of the company. Michelle, so much easier for us to find the shoe section.
I know, another store for me to go to. Maribel Aber, live in New York. Thanks, Maribel. Have a great weekend.
Our news continues now with our friends at the Museum of Natural Sciences. They're here this morning talking springtime, butterflies, and some big news for the museum. The Living Conservatory will reopen this month. Don't miss our live interview coming up. And an update on the pregnant giraffe at the North Carolina Zoo, when the calf could be born, just ahead. And as we head to break, we want to take you outside one more time, show you Clinton. The chance for rain appears to be decreasing for this weekend. Wouldn't that be a relief? We're looking forward to that. Meteorologist Anthony Baglione breaks it all down in your full forecast after the break.
99.9 The Fan.